Hi, welcome to the new video. Today what we'll be doing is we'll be inspecting the hive there in the end. If you've seen my previous videos, that was one of the swarms I had caught, and the queen was doing amazingly well. Today we'll just monitor their progress and see if they need a super, and we'll give them a super. Let's open the hive up and see how they're doing. As obvious, that's the most common frame. I'm not expecting much to happen here. They've been doing quite well because originally when I gave them this hive, it's only these middle frames which were built up, but they've come, I can see they've come all the way till here. They've almost grown common there as well. See that? This colony is growing really fast. But I think they've still got these frames to build. I think they're not quite there yet for a super on top. Yeah, look, that's all built up. Yeah, that looks really good. I can see some nectar in there as well. Just put this one on the side, it gives us a bit of space to work. That frame looks really good. That's a very good pattern. As you can see, this in the middle bit, all these white capped cells that you see, these are brood laid, so queens had laid eggs in there, and it's been about over 7 days. So the worker bees have capped them. So these should come out about 7 days after that they've been capped. And same pattern is on this side as well. Queen's not on this frame, so let's see the other ones. There goes another frame full of cap brood. All the way capped from top to bottom. It's a very good sign of growth. Put that one down. Go to the next one. Again, the very same thing, brood all the way. And that's how you can tell how quickly the colony is going to grow, because all these capped cells will come out in about 7 days. It's just a cup. Just making sure it was an active queen cell. There's just a cup there. Sometimes bees straw that out for no reason. Again, the whole frame full of brood. You can see a cup here. And again, it's not an active one. Not an active one either. All cap brood all the way. Again, all the cat brood. You can see that this colony will double within weeks, double from the current size. Back in, just give them a little smoke. This colony is quite good actually, they're quite calm colony. Possibly because it's a bit small. There we go. That's the queen. There she is. What makes it easy is when she's marked, so you can easily spot her. So I'm going to be very careful now. So I don't want to. So yeah, that's why I was trying to avoid, that she's not in the corner. Or at the top. So I don't want to squish her when I put the two frames together. So I'm just going to wait until she decides what she wants to do. I said she's walking down, so I'm going to put that one down there. Let's look at these guys here. Okay, there we go. Working on these is a cap cell. A cup, sorry. But they're empty, so I'm not so worried. Yep, those are empty, so we're going to leave them out. So they've been doing really good. They're not ready for a super yet, so I'm just going to leave them because they've got a little bit more growing to do. But I think by next week they should be ready. If not by next week, within about 2 weeks they should be ready. So we're going to leave them to it. They're doing really well. Just make sure everything is nice and square. And then this one's done.